Now we will see what are truthy and falsy values in JavaScript. Truthy and falsy values determine how expressions are evaluated in Boolean contexts, like the conditions that we use in if, while, etc. So below are the falsy values in JavaScript: false, 0, minus 0, 0n, empty string, null, undefined, not a number. So false is a Boolean, 0 is a number, this is also a number, a big int. These are all the falsy values. Whereas the truthy values are as below. True is determined as a truthy value, a Boolean value. Anything else other than these are truthy values, like when we put hello as a string in the if condition, 42 number an if or while, or an array or a function, all these are treated as truthy values. Okay, let's see a few examples demonstrating these. Let me write an if statement with a condition. Let's say I'll use false. So false is the basic version of a faulty value. Okay, let me write false. This is the condition. This is the statement which executes when the if condition is true. Okay, so let's write first the if part, which is the console log. Here I'm going to put false, 0, minus 0, 0 and empty string, null, undefined, and man are all considered as faulty values. This is showing as an error. We will convert this into a template literal. In a previous session, we saw what are template literal. So what the error is gone now. So when it is false, we will get this output saying that false, 0, all these values are treated as falsy values. Okay, and anything else is a value. Okay, and let's execute this program and see what is the output. Yeah, as expected, we got false, and the remaining values are all considered as falsy values. Let me change this to 0 and rerun our code. We're getting the same output. And if I put a minus sign, this is also treated as a falsy. For big int 0n, this is also treated as a falsy value. And let me put empty string, this one also. And when we put an undefined, this is also okay. So anything, not a number as well, man. Okay, this one is also treated as a faulty value. And anything other than this, let's say if I put a will be treated as a variable. So this will be edited out, but let's say it is not giving an error here. It is not highlighting here, but the error is thrown here. A reference error, a is not defined. So this should be in single quote, double quote, or backticks. Okay. Then this is a truthy value. Let's run this one and see. Anything else is a truthy value. Okay. So if you put 1, it is also a truthy value. A minus 1 is also a truthy value. And coming to the truthy values which are mentioned above, is true is treated as a truthy value by default. Okay. And any number that we saw already, let's say if I put a function or maybe an array is also treated as a truthy value. Let me write a function within the condition, function which is not taking anything, and the body of the function is like this. Let me put a logger here, and in which I will say hello morning. Okay. So this one is also treated as a truth value. Let me run this one. Yeah. So all these are treated as Truthy values. Anything other than these are all considered as Truthy values. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.